Hey folks, update on the river dance audition. Um, Unfortunately, I didn't make it. Um, I sprained my ankle terribly. Oh, God. Just to show you guys, it rolled. It rolled so bad. I thought I had it down. I was certain I had it down. I don't know. I don't. It's hard to remember what happened, but I know it wasn't good. So I was doing this, and it slipped, and I went like this, and that's how it happened. They said I could try again to audition in a couple of weeks, so I'll keep you guys updated. Yeah.